How do I connect my Xbox 360 controller to my iPhone?
Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the steps on how to connect your Xbox 360 controller to your iPhone. Whether you're looking to enhance your mobile gaming experience or just trying out new ways to play, we've got you covered.
What will you need?
Before we dive in, let's make sure you have everything you need: an Xbox 360 controller. It can be either wired or wireless. An iPhone. Make sure it's running iOS 13 or later, as it provides support for Xbox controllers. For wireless controllers, an Xbox 360 wireless controller receiver.
How to connect a wired Xbox 360 controller.
If you have a wired Xbox 360 controller, the process is quite simple. 1. Purchase a USB to Lightning adapter. This adapter will allow you to connect your wired Xbox 360 controller directly to your iPhone. 2. Connect the Xbox 360 controller. Plug the USB end of the controller into the USB to Lightning adapter. 3. Plug the adapter into your iPhone. Once connected, your iPhone should automatically recognize the controller.
How to connect a wireless Xbox 360 controller.
For those with wireless controllers, the process is slightly different. 1. Connect the wireless receiver to your iPhone. Using the same USB to Lightning adapter, plug the wireless receiver's USB end into the adapter. 2. Turn on your Xbox 360 controller. Press and hold the Xbox button in the center of your controller to turn it on. 3. Sync the controller with the receiver. On the controller, press the Connect button, located at the top of the controller. Then press the Connect button on the wireless receiver. Wait a few moments until the controller's lights stop spinning and stay lit on one of the quadrants. 4. Your iPhone should recognize the controller. Now, you can start playing your favorite games using your Xbox 360 controller. And that's it. You should now be able to enjoy a more console-like gaming experience on your iPhone using your Xbox 360 controller. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, gaming is always more fun when you're comfortable. So, game on and enjoy your enhanced mobile gaming experience.